지 룸마땡인데 봐. 근데기 다 남도 야 민다와 대주삼 시송이 정신 대주 군도스. 대야 시고 과과야기 두시야베.
And also we find another sort of further explanation of the process of being in an unenlightened existence in the Tantric Vajrayana literature, where there is an understanding of what is known as the 80 types of thoughts or conceptions, which are indicative of our being in unenlightened existence.
중국의 중에 포의 박자를 시행해야 돼. 포의 박자, 감포의 박자, 포고양, 포루야 둘이야.
Similarly, in the Kala Chakra literature, which belongs to the Vajrayana class, there is also a further identification of factors or causes of samsaric existence or unenlightened existence, which are understood in terms of propensities or natural dispositions.
다들에게 에네 녀몽베다 다지다잖아 녀몽베 군중 세야디 디니 레지 군중 세야디 용구여 말이 자다 가다 코아주지 줄이야 레닝 군중 니셰.
So these emotions or afflictive emotions and thoughts which arise from our fundamental state of confusion and then give rise to, or they motivate, volitional actions. So together, the delusions and karmic actions, or karma, are the origins of our suffering.
다 지다에는 유문부 지천이 그리 시작했을라나 아니 강충나 다 시바 그리시 아니 가다 런줄이 게임도잖아요. 아니 란줄이 강사디 머시워징이 머시워징이 그다 심주로도 머시워징이 근데 지금이야 심주로도 머시워 제배 관에 란줄이 강사 녀몽으로 제배지리야 아니 녀몽슬라면 말이에요.
Generally speaking, klesha or afflictive emotions and thoughts are defined as that emotion or thought which the mere occurrence of that in ourselves creates immediate disturbance within our mind and then afflicts from within. And that is the sort of general definition of klesha.
다 레지 군중사 레스야데 지다 안다 레스 랜데 세야데 유전 데뷔 다 준대긴 대회 팀을지 가산 쉬는 시 거기 랑싱도 이해야 되지.
So what do we mean by karma? If that is the definition of afflictive emotions or thought, what is the definition of karma? Here I would like to remind again to situate our understanding of karma within the context of wider Buddhist understanding of the natural laws of causality. Karma is an instance of the natural causal laws that operate within the world, within the universe, or within the natural world, where there is an understanding according to Buddhism that things and events come into being purely as a result of aggregation of causes and conditions. Similarly, karma is an instance of that. Now, the unique feature of karma is that karma involves an intentional action. Karma involves an agent. When we talk about natural processes in the world, although the processes, there is a cause and effect, sort of causal processes operating in the world, but where there is no agent involved, we cannot really talk about karma, because karma needs, in order for a causal process to be a karmic causal process, there is a need for an agency, there is a need for an agent, an individual whose intention would lead to a particular action. And that type of causal nexus or causal mechanism is known as the karma.
전 다와든 저기 아니 레틀이야 아니 나시기 대부 가서 그게 디지용에 될래야 아니 계획민다 대부 동행해야 될래야 아니 다 디베민다 되네 대부 소화 땅용은 되는 될 루머땡민다 전에 다레 게임을 루머땡 레슨 셔이
So within that karmic action, generally speaking, we can talk about three types of actions corresponding to the effects they produce. The actions which produce suffering or pain, suffering and pain, are generally speaking considered negative actions or non-virtuous actions, whereas actions that lead to positive consequences, desirable consequences, experiences of joy and happiness, these actions are considered to be positive or virtuous actions. Whereas there is a third category of actions which leads to experiences of equanimity or states of neutral feelings or experiences. These are considered to be neutral actions, neither virtuous nor non-virtuous.
뭐요관에 마셔야 인도서는 샘벨라다 샘벨라스지. 다 샘벨라스는 군룩되는 셔야지다. 아니 샘벨라스는 다디 이니 룽아가 요아. 드리지 당 뭐요관에 샘벨라스 셔야지. 다양 레 그게다 그래서 레 기본 주세 얘는 고요관에 셔야이나 So in terms of actual nature of the karmic actions themselves, we can talk about two different types of karma. One is the mental karmic acts, sort of actions which need not necessarily be manifested in behavioral or physical kind of actions, but rather they are more like mental acts. Then there could be also physical actions like bodily acts or verbal acts. So principally there are two types of actions. Similarly, from the point of view of mediums through which the actions are expressed or executed, we can talk about actions of the mind or actions of the speech or actions of the body. Similarly, in the scriptures, we also find discussions about karmic actions which are completely virtuous, karmic actions which are completely non-virtuous or negative. Then there are karmic actions which are sort of mixture of the two. So I feel that many of us who practice the Dharma and who believes in the Dharma, perhaps most of our actions may be sort of a mixture of the two. Any machine jug negligeni jong jusum kita khabarle le top shi khawa yong yare and carboine le migoine kadani ga lo jawa machine jug dende gida asol bege tengne le tuchim bu chaya da ya ji 근데 저연이가 근데 le dibur ji beina 저연이가 ya gunung de shu chabu je beine ya ji julia ji gyash shi le besoro.
So if we look at, say, even a single karmic instance of a karmic action, we can see that there are stages within that event. There is a beginning, which is the stage of the motivation or intention. Then there is the actual execution of the act. Then there is one could say, the culmination or the completion of the act. So depending on how these stages are carried out,
in the scriptures, there is an understanding that the intensity or the force of the karmic action can vary. For example, like if, for example, in the case of a negative action, if the person at the stage of motivation may have a very strong negative emotion, a forceful anger or whatever, a forceful and negative motive,